Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Today I have an incredible stock pick for you. And you know what this stock has been compared to? It has been compared to be a Bitcoin-like opportunity. Who wishes they invested in Bitcoin when it was like 0.00 something cents and what the price is now? You'd be a multimillionaire by now. If you had invested and held it, well, the new commodity that is like Bitcoin is uranium. Uranium is the cleanest form of green energy. And with more and more companies and the world becoming greener, this is an untapped market opportunity. And that is why in this video, I have a stock pick for you guys to hold in your long-term portfolio in my non-financial advisor opinion, but more so something I think is a huge bull market trend. And this is not just what I think. This is confirmed by so many experts in the field that say that uranium is going to offer that bull run opportunity for investors. This company is called Uranium Royalty Corp and its ticker is UROY. The green revolution is going to be critical for uranium. With such few companies in the United States producing uranium, the market opportunity for Uranium Royalty Corp is huge. And you guys, it's a green energy penny stock that is under $10. The current price for Uranium Royalty Corp is $5.02. And on TipRanks, they've deemed it to be a moderate buy. But I believe it's a strong buy in my opinion. And I will show you why in this video. But the analyst price target is that it is expected to increase to $5.53, which is a 10% upside. But you guys, I don't think it's going to be just a 10% upside. I think this is going to be a Bitcoin-like opportunity. Now guys, here's why I think uranium-based companies like Uranium Royalty Corp is a Bitcoin-like opportunity. This is because commodities, such as uranium, are determined by supply and demand. The current market cap for the entire uranium market is only $6.3 billion. Now this is a fairly small market cap for annual consumption. But when this is an energy that is going to be greener, cleaner, and better for the environment, and that's the way we are heading, then those companies that have bought up uranium and use them in their reactors and eventually build their oligopoly kind of title where they end up gaining market share, well, we will see not only the global market cap consumption increase from 6.3 billion to something way more, we will see huge opportunities in share price rallies in those companies like Uranium Royalty Corp that have had first mover advantage. Remember that. Many of you guys come to my channel to say, what is the next stock pick or crypto pick? What can make you returns? Well, one of the fundamental defining factors as to what is a good stock pick or a good crypto pick is how is it going to change the world? How is that stock or crypto going to provide something that will be the future, that will solve problems? And uranium as a commodity is a great energy source that is greener and cleaner. And with the increasing mass consumption of coal and the increasing use of fossil fuels and the pollution and environmental problems we see with global warming, this is definitely one that will pop in the future. I mean, take the EV space. We look at the future potential of the EV space and that's what we buy in at. I believe in long-term investing and I want to go into why I believe in Uranium Royalty Corp. Well, for a bit of background, Uranium Royalty Corp invests in uranium. So the way it works is that they gain exposure to uranium prices by making investments in uranium interests, including royalties, streams, debt and equity in uranium companies, as well as through physical uranium transactions. They focus on the cyclicality, which we see in commodities, on uranium prices. And this will help determine their valuations. So essentially, Uranium Royalty Corp invests in whatever is uranium related and profit of that. Now, I've already mentioned the global market cap for uranium consumption is going to increase. Imagine investing in a company that invests in the few existing uranium companies that will eventually grow to become oligopolies and be major market players in the uranium sector. This is a future concept, you guys. Uranium Royalty Corp actually recently expanded physical uranium holdings to 1.048 million pounds of uranium at a weighted average cost of $37.64 per pound of uranium. Another fantastic thing about this stock is that Uranium Royalty Corp is one of the first companies to apply the successful royalty and streaming business model in the uranium sector. And in terms of financials, let's talk about it. They have a strong balance sheet. They have 16 projects under their portfolio's management. And they have stakes in physical uranium that was acquired when the cyclical price was low, buying the dip. And not to mention, they have a fantastic management team which has extensive experience in uranium sectors as well as large corporation experience. And to support my point, as an investor, this is the bull market no one saw coming. Many uranium companies have shown 500% return in just the last year. This is because the overall market cap in the industry is growing, and Uranium Royalty Corp invest in all these uranium companies, which means they will see potential increases in their share price as their balance sheet continues to solidify. And when we see bull markets like we see in cryptos, let's be honest, bull markets are determined by community. Community comes together, price rallies happen. Now, we're seeing this happen in the uranium sector, which is why it will benefit Uranium Royalty Corp's price. Looking at this article, uranium is gaining interest on Reddit, most notorious investment forum. As we know, remember that little CAPM equation I put in a previous video, that meme I found? I'm going to stick it in here. Reddit enthusiasm does contribute to price rallies, whether they are justified or not. In this case, it's a justified price rally because uranium is something that is going to solve an issue in the future. It can be that replacement green energy. And Uranium Royalty Corp is one that is staying ahead of that. So with all this momentum happening with the uranium sector booming, we can see that this has positively impacted Uranium Royalty Corp's financial results. Taking a look at their current assets, they have increased cash and cash equivalents dramatically from the previous quarter. As of April 30th, 2021, it was $7.2 million, whereas now it's $25.71 million. This buffer of cash allows it to fund its operations, but it also provides a bit of security in case they have some random one-off expenses. Total assets have increased dramatically from $76.2 million to $115.7 million. I truly believe this is because of the boom they're seeing in the uranium sector. They reported a total comprehensive loss for the 3 months ended July 31st, 2020, but they have turned it around into a positive total comprehensive income. So we can see that it was negative $1.1 million as of 2020, and then now it's $2.7 million. I definitely think this is because of the boom we're seeing in the uranium sector, but also I believe it's because they're increasing their holdings in their different portfolio of companies and projects and transactions within the uranium sector. They're seeing those rewards coming through translate into their financial results. And they're continuing to expand. Uranium Royalty Corp exercises initial tranche of 10-year supply agreement to acquire $10 million worth of physical uranium at $28.73 per pound. See, I see what they're doing. Uranium is a commodity. Commodities are cyclical. By cyclical, we mean the ups and downs. If uranium is at its lowest price on its cycle, then Uranium Royalty Corp can buy this at a discount and profit even more because uranium is a commodity, but uranium cycles are like mega super cycles. So the upswings and the downswings are a lot more volatile, which means yes, there's more risk, but then if you buy in at the lower points, then the potential returns can be a lot higher when we see the upswings. And now that we're entering the uranium bull market, this stock can definitely see some serious returns and the financials support it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I thought it'd be different to add in a bit of a stock video that has real potential, a sector that has potential. My channel is about investing. It's about investing in any asset that I believe could be in the future. Now that could be cryptos, blockchain, DeFi applications, even stocks, EV stocks, whatever you name it, as long as I believe in the future of it. That's what I will talk about on this channel. Are you guys diversifying your portfolio and investing in both stocks and cryptos? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video. I also have a Patreon where I talk about what I buy and sell in real time, so I've linked that down below as well, and you will hear things on there before I post it on my YouTube channel. So a lot of the information is time sensitive, so I can quickly go and post it on my Patreon before I get up a video. Although I'm trying to get the videos up as quickly as possible to you guys, especially given a lot of the information is time sensitive in these markets. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video and have a lovely day. Bye.